so today's video is all about 6 ways you're ruining your outfit, and these things are very important, very casual, but very important things that we should keep in our mind so that our outfit looks perfect. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First one is rubber bands on your wrist. Okay, so I have this bad habit, and I know a lot of girls out there have this habit, and this definitely ruins our outfit. This definitely ruins our whole look because it's very unprofessional, and it's very, it gives an impression on other people that you're very careless, that it's very careless thing to do, that you're just carrying a rubber band on your wrist. And if you want to carry a rubber band with you, you can carry it in your bag or something, but do not carry it on your wrist. It absolutely doesn't look good. Okay, so the next one is loops for belts. Okay, so there are some dresses that have loops over here for belts, and the dresses come with belts too, right? So yeah, they're not the loops are not according to our size. So yes, I would suggest that cut them off. Cut the loops off and style the belt wherever you want. You can put it here, or anywhere. You can put it anywhere on your waist, anywhere you like it, and you can fit the dress according to you or how you want to look it, and then it'll look perfect. Okay, so the next one is hangy loop things. Okay, so there are loops in our dresses that are supposed to help us to hang our clothes on hangers, and most of the time they are just ruining our outfit because they come out from anywhere. They come out from here, anywhere. It doesn't look good. It looks very bad, and I would suggest that cut them off. Yeah, and they're only useful in tubes or off shoulders and one off shoulder dresses, but otherwise it's completely useless. Like most of the times we can hang our clothes completely fine, and still they're just ruining our outfit. So yeah. Next one is whites that are no longer whites. Okay, so white is one of my favorite colors, the colors that I adore a lot. But whites that are no longer whites, wearing clothes that are no longer white looks very bad. They don't look good, and they look very cheap. I think they don't look good at all. Wear clothes that if the color is off-white or cream, then it's fine, though I hate it. I hate off-whites and creams. But if the color is if the color is off-white, then it's fine, then obviously it doesn't look bad. But if it's white and it has gotten faded, then it definitely doesn't look good. So do not wear that. Okay, so the next one is wearing wrinkled clothes. Okay, so wrinkled clothes look very bad. They look very bad. Wearing wrinkled clothes, you should always iron your clothes before wearing them, so that you look put together, so that you will look amazing. You can rock your outfit and everything good. So yes, do not wear wrinkled clothes. And okay, so the last one is not showing your figure at all. Okay, so there are a lot of people out there who like baggy clothes. I am not one of them. I don't like baggy clothes. I don't like very fitted clothes. I don't like skinny clothes also. I'm like okay, like fitting, okay. So yeah. So yes, there are a lot of people out there who like baggy clothes. It's your personal choice, but I feel that not showing your figure at all is no to me. And I feel I would suggest that on a completely baggy look, you can go for a belt, so that you can flaunt some of your figure, and that way you will rock your outfit. So yes, these were the 6 things that you should fix, that you should not do, and the things that are ruining your outfit. So don't do these things. And yes, thank you so much for watching, and you know the drill. Like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And do follow me on my Instagram. I post some real different content over there, so go and follow. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you. Bye.